Your Excellency, good afternoon. Your Excellency, welcome to the construction of
We don't think that we should enforce or people should obey rules until you use force. Until you use force, by the time we go on the road now to begin to impound their vehicles, then they say, oh, you are using force. But simple to go to the park. This is where it's an accredited place for people to load. They will not agree. But I can tell you they must agree. They must. We will impound your vehicle and we'll sanction it and we'll auction it. We have already started. Now, let me tell you, see, that's why when people talk, what civil servants do, terrible. You do, before you know it, they've given us allocation papers to people to turn the green areas as well. They were selling parks have now turned to where they sell vehicles. And some people will say, Minister, you know it is not correct. Even when people talk about development control, the minister is not the one who gives approval for building. This is done by departments and agencies of government. Until when it comes to our notice, then you see whether we will take action or not. As this has come to our notice, we have set up a task force. If you don't leave the green area, you carry your vehicles.